What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Erenshor on your PC. So for the first step you will need to open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we are going to locate this game first on Steam and then we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website. After that we are looking for the game Erenshor. So search for it and select it. Now if you scroll a little bit down, then you will find a free demo which is available on Steam, but we would like to download the full game. So what you need to do is open the link in the video description where it says find game here, and you will be redirected to this webpage. Now search for the same game Erenshor, and after that select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Once you have done that, you need to watch two things. That is basically the PC version and that this game can be activated in your country. So this text needs to be marked green. Once you have found one, select it, and after that you will find out that this game is available for just €14.29 compared to the price on Steam of €17.55. Now if you purchase this game through this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam to activate this game through Steam, or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!